Welcome to the Blackboard test drive for students. In this video, we will walk through accessing Blackboard, viewing your classes, and locating the information and tools you will need within your classes. First, you'll need to open your web browser. While just about any browser will allow you to access Blackboard, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox tend to work best. It is important to note that most technical errors in Blackboard are linked to a specific browser, so whenever you run into a problem, it is best to try a different browser before contacting your instructor or IT. In the address bar, type ngu.blackboard.com. On the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your NGU username and password, which are the same username and password that you use for your NGU email and your student portal account. Once you have entered both of these things, click Login. Once you log into Blackboard, you'll be taken to the My NGU page, and on the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of your current classes as well as any recent announcements that have been made in those classes. To access a specific class, click on its title. The different areas of your course can be accessed from the course menu on the left side of the screen. The first area we'll talk about is Announcements, which is usually located at the top of that menu. The Announcements page is where your instructor will post important updates and instructions for your class. It is important that you check the Announcements page in each class at least once per day, in addition to checking your NGU email. Next is the Syllabus page, where you can view and download the syllabus for your course. Below that, on the My Instructor page, you can find information about your instructor, such as the best times and means to contact them. On the Course Materials page, your instructor will share content such as reading assignments, PowerPoint presentations, and links to external resources. Blue underlined text is used to denote a clickable link. Additionally, where you see an underlined title, you can click that title to access a link. On the Assignments page, you will see assignments that are required for your class. To take a test, you'll need to click its title, but before you do this, be sure you're ready to take the entire test, as most tests cannot be stopped and resumed later. Once you've read the instructions, click Begin. On the next screen, you'll need to scroll down and answer each of the questions listed. Once you are done with the test, click Save and Submit, and then click OK. For other assignments, such as papers and projects, you can submit them by clicking the title of the assignment. On the Upload Assignment page, you have two choices. You can either click the button to write your submission directly into Blackboard, or you can click Browse My Computer to select a file from your computer. For most assignments, you'll want to select a file from your computer to upload. This way, you can save your work as you go so that you don't risk losing it. Once you've selected your file or written your submission, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you can enter any comments or feedback that you have for your instructor. Once you're done, click Submit. Once you submit your assignment, you'll see this confirmation page letting you know that your work was received. Next, we'll take a look at the discussion board. To access a specific discussion forum, click on that forum's title. From here, near the top of the screen, you can click Create Thread to write your post. When writing a post, you'll need to enter a subject and then enter the text of your post in the message field. Once you're done writing your post, click Submit. This will add it to the discussion board. In many cases, you'll also need to reply to your classmates. To open a thread, click its title. Once you've read the post, click the Reply button to type your response. Enter your reply and then click Submit. Next, you'll need to know how to review your grades and feedback from your instructor. To do this, click My Grades. On this page, you'll see that assignments that have been graded have a score, assignments that have not been submitted yet have a dash, and assignments that have been submitted but are not yet graded by your instructor will have a yellow circle with an exclamation point showing that it needs grading. To review a test, click its title. You can then click your grade to see the exact questions and how you did. Where you see a speech bubble, your instructor has left a comment for you. Click on the speech bubble to view that comment. Sometimes your instructor's feedback will come in the form of a markup on your assignment or on a rubric. To view the markup of your assignment, click on its title. Here you'll see an image of what you submitted along with any annotations made by your instructor, such as this speech bubble, which you can click on to view the comment. On the right side of the screen, click the arrow next to the file name to download the annotated PDF if you want to save your instructor's feedback to review later. Back on the My Grades page, you also see that you have the option to view a rubric. Click View Rubric to see how you scored on each individual component of the assignment. Finally, at the bottom of your course menu, click Blackboard Help to access Blackboard's help page for students. On this page, you'll find articles and videos with instructions for just about any topic in Blackboard. If there is anything in particular you need help with, use the search bar in the upper right corner of the screen to search for that topic. Lastly, keep in mind that all courses are a little different. If you have a question or you can't find something, be sure to contact your instructor for help. Thank you for joining us for this test drive of Blackboard.